Hi, this is Vikas here. Welcome back my YouTube channel Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. This is going to second article renewed uncertainty. अब ये आपका renewed का मीनिंग क्या होता है कि दोबारा से किसी को रिन्यू कर देना. uncertainty मतलब ऑथर ने बोला गया जो uncertainty हमारी आई थी उसको दोबारा से renewed करने की को नीड है. ये आर्टिकल आपका इकोनॉमिक के रिगार्डिंग इकोनॉमिक के ऊपर आर्टिकल है. ये आर्टिकल हमारा काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट आर्टिकल है. ओके, चलिए हम डिस्कस करते हैं. 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स. अगर सेशन को आपने अभी तक लाइक नहीं किया तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट. The latest factory output data released by the National Statistical Office is yet another sign of the rocky start that the economy is having in the new fiscal year. April's index of industrial production estimates show all three sectoral constituents of the index, mining, manufacturing and electricity, suffered reverses as output slid below the preceding month's levels, with the second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic increasing in intensity that month and several key industrial hubs coming under renewed local lockdowns. All six and huge categories: primary capital, intermediate and construction goods, and consumer durable and non-durable, endured month-on-month contractions. Manufacturing, which accounts for 77.6% of the IIP, saw production shrink 12.6% from March and contributed significantly to a 13% sequential contraction in overall industrial output. The NSO advised against drawing a year-on-year comparison, which it said would be affected by the fact that the nationwide lockdown had prevented many establishments from operating in April 2020. Figures from April 2019 indicate the IIP registered a marginal 0.08% growth, aided by a 6.8 increase in electricity output from 2 years earlier. However, from the pre-pandemic level, manufacturing shrank 0.9%, reflecting the deep root it finds itself in. Output of capital goods and consumer durable also lagged the corresponding 2019 levels by 14.3% and 11.6% respectively, signaling that the outlook for investment in production capacity and discretionary consumption remain disconcertingly weak. Consumer non-durable, compromising household essentials witnessed an almost 11% contraction from March, testifying to the demand destruction that has accompanied the second wave. To be sure, the IIP arrives with a lag of 6 weeks and may likely be viewed as more of an indicator of past economic activity than as a tool to assist in providing an accurate prognosis. Still, other data from May, including manufacturing and services PMI and retail automobiles sales, underline the extent to which economic activity has been constrained since the start of this quarter, with IHS markets surveys showing manufacturing stagnating last month and services contracting for the first time in 8 months, the composite PMI output index slid from 55.4 in April to 41.1 in May, indicating a moderate reduction in activity. New vehicle registrations more than halved in May from the previous month, another telltale sign of the demand drought, with job losses accelerating and consumer spending hit by a combination of falling real incomes, depleted savings, and increasing healthcare costs. The broader outlook for a near term revival in consumption led demand appears bleak right now. To ensure an abiding recovery, the government needs to expedite targeted demand creating fiscal support measures and drastically quicken the pace of vaccinations. फुल स्टॉप। स्टूडेंट ये आपका आर्टिकल था। इस आर्टिकल को आप टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद आप इसको मैच कीजिए। और आज का आपका वर्ड ऑफ द डे है कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट्स। इस वर्ड को आप मुझे ये बताएंगे, इसमें नाउन है, प्रोनाउन है और इसका यहाँ पे मीनिंग भी यहाँ पे आपको इसका मीनिंग बताएंगे। ओके, इसमें क्या और इसका सेंटेंस भी आप बनाइए नीचे।